Siguro yung New Year's resolution ko is yung mas mag-improve pa ako as a leader ng team ko. We know na rookie ako sa team, but gusto ko yung ma-improve ko as long as na naglalaro ko sa Ginebra. So, yun.
I want to get in the best shape of my life, just up my conditioning, get better as far as my mobility in my body and being able to move more freely, and just being more consistent, I would say at the rim as a finisher.
New Year's resolution ko lang sa basketball, syempre maging mas masipag sa practice, more extra workout para sa sarili, and maging disiplinado sa loob ng court, sa labas ng court.
Siguro number one yung team defense ko. Yun kasi yung talagang parang weakness ko pagdating sa loob ng court, yung team defense. Sa individual, okay naman, medyo nakakasabay sa depensa.
If anything, I just want to make more 4-point shots in the upcoming games. That'd be the only thing I'd say. And I just keep going, doing the same thing.
Siguro maging matured na yung namamasa na, hindi yung buhaya na kagaya natin.
Yung New Year's resolution ko is to be healthy para makapaglaro ako sa lahat ng games. So yun, ayoko lang mag-miss ng games. Gusto ko makalaro yung mga teammates ko.
Pero ngayon, yung New Year resolution ko is hindi ako magbabago. Wala akong babaguhin. Kasi maganda yung takbo eh. Maganda naman yung takbo, so walang babaguhin.